now we are going to do long answer type questions. Okay, the first question is, what is the difference between sneak and arrow flip features? We know that sneak feature is used, shows you on the taskbar the windows that are open, and arrow flip is used to show the all windows that are open. So we will do it. Answer. First one is, sneak feature allows you to show on the taskbar a preview of windows that are open. And if we are talking about arrow flip feature, so it shows you what is happening in all other open windows on the computer system. These are long answer type questions. Okay. Next question is, write the steps to open control panel. Means how can you open the control panel? So it is very easy. We are having only 2 steps to open it. We use heading steps to open control panel. Okay. So first step is click on start menu. Start menu. Second is click on control panel. So this is the answer of second question. Next question is, how can you change the date and time? Means write steps to change the date and time. So we will write here steps to change date and time. Okay. So the first step that we will follow is click on, or at first we will open. At first we will open control panel. Here, after opening it, we will click on the option clock language and region. Click on clock language and region, REGION option. When we will click on this, it will show you option date and time setting. So we will click on date and time setting. Okay. When we will click on date and time setting, it will show you a dialog box. In that dialog box, you have to click on change date and time. Okay. So when you will click on change date and time, it will show you the calendar, and in this calendar you can change the date and the time, and after doing this you will click on okay. So in this way you are able to change the date and time. Okay, so these are the long answer type questions. First is, sneak feature allows you to show on the taskbar a preview of windows that are open. Arrow flip feature shows you what is happening in all other open windows on the computer system. How to open control panel? Click on start menu, click on control panel. Third question is, write steps to change date and time. So you will write a step. At first you will open control panel, then you will click on clock language and region option, and then you will click on date and time setting, and then you will click on change date and time. You will change the time, and then you will on the updated date and time and click on OK. Now next question is application based questions. We already done. Application based questions we had already done. Now we will do circle 5 features of Windows 7. A table has been given to you and you have to circle the 5 features of Windows 7. You know the features of Windows 7. They are sneak, snap, shake, arrow flip, jump list. So these all features you will find inside it and you will encircle. So this work you all can do at home. Okay. Now today we will do periodic assessment because we have done the exercise of chapter 1, chapter 2. Now we are doing periodic assessment of chapter 1 and 2. Questions are, first is we have to rewrite the incorrect statement. Means if it is false, we have to rewrite it. First one is antivirus is an application software used to scan the computer system for presence of virus. We know that antivirus is used to scan and it deletes the virus, so it is true. A part, first one is true, so no need to correct it. Second is disk defragmenter is used to delete temporary internet files and Windows temporary files. It is a false statement because disk defragmenter is used to free the memory space. Okay, they divide the same memory into small blocks, but delete work is of disk cleanup. So here we have to write this disk cleanup. Okay, on the place of disk preventer, first we will write here false, and how we will correct it? We will write disk cleanup on place of defragmenter. Okay, you can understand. The third one is sneak feature of Windows 7 shows you on the taskbar a preview of the windows that are open. It is right because in the sneak feature it shows you the windows of the active windows that are open. So third one is true. Fourth one, the section at the right end of the notification panel is the taskbar. Okay, it is a incorrect statement. How? The section at the right end of the taskbar is the notification panel. We have to do some changes. What changes we have to do? At first it is a false statement. You have to replace taskbar with notification panel. You have to write taskbar on the place of notification panel and you have to write notification panel on the place of taskbar. So in this way the statement can become correct. Now last one is recording tab is available in mouse property dialog box. It is false statement. Why it is a false statement? Because in mouse property dialog box we find pointer options, buttons. We don't find any kind of recording tab. This option we find in sound setting dialog box. Okay, so we will underline mouse and we will write here sound. Okay, so in this way we can correct the statement. In first one it is true, in second one it is false. You have to write disk cleanup on the place of disk defragmenter. Third one is true, fourth one is false. How you have to correct it? Change the place of taskbar and notification panel. Interchange each other. Last one is also false, and how you have to correct it? You have to underline or cut mouse and you have to write here the sound. Okay. Now next question is state the use and one example of these one. Okay. So B option. First is word processor. We know that what is the use of word processor? It is used to for typing work. So example I am writing here. Example is MS Word. Work you know very well, so you can write it by self also. Next one is DBMS. It stands for database management software. It is used to create the database. Example MS SS. Third one is spreadsheets. We use spreadsheets for the calculations. Example is MS Excel. Fourth one is DTP software, desktop publishing software. It is used to create the newspaper and the magazine. Examples are Adobe, Photoshop. operating system, utility software, application, programming. So operating system is different from it. So first one is operating system. In first one you have to circle operating system. In second one you have to circle Kelsey, because it is not a type of operating system. Next is, they have given you all the DTP software, you have to encircle Impress. And fourth one is, you have to circle Share. Why? Because Sneak, Snap and Shake are the features of Windows 7. Last one is matchups. First one is MSSS, it is a DBMS. So first one you have to match with DBMS. Okay. Second is Shake. Shake you have to match with Use to minimize. The one who is used to minimize all files is Shake. Third one is Snap. Snap is used to compare. Fourth one, communication tab. They are used to connect system to telephone line. Used to connect system to telephone line. And the last one is Adobe Photoshop. And Adobe Photoshop, you know very well that it is a DTP software. So these are the periodic assessment exercises. At home you will do the remaining long answer questions and short answer type questions, and this exercise you have to do in the book. Okay, thank you.